Okay, stop doing your homework just a second. You got something today.
You got mail.
Ways up? What is it?
Stand up.
Are these Falcons tickets?
What does it say?
This?
What does the ticket say?
Oh, I thought it was Raise Up. Actually, it's Rise Up.
Woo!
You got Falcons tickets
You only have two, though. Who are you going to
for
take?
Sunday.
Oh no.
Who do you want to take?
You can only take one person.
You.
Are you excited?
What you think about that, buddy?
Let me see them. Hold them up. Oh my goodness. I've never even been to a Falcons game. Wow! Awesome.